Trucks arrive at the recycling facility, delivering plastic waste for processing. This waste is transformed into high qualities or used to manufacture new, sustainable plastic bottles, a closed-loop system for a greener future.
Okay, team, let's inspect these incoming bales for PET quality. Understood. Checking for contaminants and color consistency.
Strapping looks secure, no rips or tears.
Good. This one is clear for pellet production.
The friction washer removes labels and adhesives. High-speed rotation scrubs the plastic flakes clean. This ensures high-quality material for recycled PT pellets. The sensor displays the pellet's dryness level. At 0.2%, they are within the optimal range for processing. The probe confirms the reading, ensuring high-quality output from the recycled material. Starting with the density measurement. The pellets weigh 25 grams. Now for the clarity test. The sample is clear, quality is good.
Containers aligned. Start the pour. Got it. I'm in position. Keep it steady. Watch the level. Flowing evenly. Almost full. Good. Secure the load.
Recycled PET pellets enter the hopper and are heated into preforms. High-pressure air expands the preforms inside rotating molds. The finished bottles are ejected onto the conveyor.
These recycled PET bottles are showing excellent clarity. Checking this one for any stress fractures or imperfections. The pellets melt consistently, ensuring uniform bottle quality.
On the left, used PET bottles, worn and discolored. On the right, new bottles made from recycled plastic pellets. Recycling transforms waste into high-quality, sustainable products. These pellets are transformed into bottles, which are then packaged. The process highlights the successful end use of recycled materials. This completes the cycle, from pellet to product. Manufacturing recycled PET plastic pellets reduces the carbon footprint by 79% compared to virgin production. This lowers energy use, reduces emissions, and promotes sustainable economy.
Throughput is up. Keep an eye on contamination.
Got it. Levels are steady at 0.8%.
Good. Check the temperature profile. Looks stable. No adjustments needed. Excellent. Log it.
This facility embodies the circular economy, transforming plastic waste into valuable resources. Recycled PET pellets are produced continuously, ready to become new bottles, closing the loop.